I'm Mats Kjellberg, Market Development Director at CrossControl. To expand our offering for powerful PC performance in the cab of industrial vehicles, we are launching the CCpilot X1200 to join our existing extreme line displays. The platform is designed to meet tough environmental requirements and excel even in demanding applications, with an Atom processor for business logics and advanced HMIs. The X1200 has an optically bonded 12-inch widescreen display, providing plenty of GUI real estate, enabling concurrent visualization of multiple applications. Interfaces include CAN, Ethernet, USB, audio line-out, and wireless connectivity with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The X1200 offers the choice of a Linux or Windows 10 operating system. This means that system developers can utilize all the powerful toolchains, software components, and third-party applications available in the Linux and Windows domains. With its vast software capabilities and state-of-the-art hardware, the X1200 brings laptop performance to the vehicle cab. If you want to learn more, go to crosscontrol.com. Thanks for watching.